Good afternoon, everyone. We'll talk about a topic that affects us all, money. Specifically, we'll discuss why financial literacy is important and how budgeting, savings, and debt management can help us achieve financial freedom. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, this discussion will provide practical strategies to help you take control of your finances. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest, according to Benjamin Franklin. Let's start with budgeting. What is budgeting? Simply put, budgeting is the process of creating a plan to spend your money. This spending plan or budget helps you determine whether you have enough money for your needs and wants. Why is budgeting so important? Because it ensures that you always have enough money for what truly matters. It helps you avoid unnecessary debt, plan for the future, and achieve your financial goals. How to make a budget? First, list your total income for the month. This is your total take home pay for both of you and your spouse. Don't forget to include everything: full time jobs, sideline jobs, freelance pay, and any other ongoing sources of income. Second, list all your expenses. Think about your regular bills, electricity, water that are due for the upcoming month. After that, total your other costs like food, gas, and entertainment. Then add any savings to that. Each peso you spend and save should be accounted for. 3. Subtract expenses from income. 4. Track your expenses throughout the month. Make sure you're sticking to the budget and adjust some amount around if needed. This helps you stay accountable to yourself and in control of your money plan. 5. Make a new budget. Another popular budgeting method is the envelope system, where you allocate cash into different envelopes for specific expenses like groceries, transportation, and savings. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, you stop spending in that category. This system helps instill discipline and prevents overspending. We have the old formula for savings. Income minus expenses equals savings. However, the most effective is the new formula. Income minus savings equals expenses. In the Philippines, borrowing money has become incredibly easy and convenient. However, if not managed well, debt can take control of our lives. Tips to manage debts. Control your debt or debt will control you. Number 1. Pay your credit card's debt in full and on time. This helps avoid high interest charges. Number 2. Don't, don't get into more debts. Think twice before taking out a new loan. Number 3. Use cash or debit cards. Avoid impulse buying with credit. Number 4. Spend on necessities, not luxuries. Focus on needs rather than wants. Number 5. Make a list of all your debts and pay them off one at a time. Number 6. Increase cash flow to fast track debt payment. Find and add additional income sources to speed up your debt payment. Number 7. Consider liquidating your savings and non-income producing assets. This can help reduce your financial burden. Number 8. Change your money mindset. Debt is not a solution, but an obstruction. Number 9. Prepay your mortgage. This reduces interest payments and shorten the loan period. Financial literacy is not just for the wealthy, it's for everybody. Thank you.